Oh man, it's snowing here. And I am so excited. Winter Wonderland here in Virginia. I'm going to attempt to go get coffee and try to go sledding before I have to go to work today in Bethesda, Maryland. Oh yeah, look at that snow right there. Let's crank her over. Let's see what she's got. No problem. Heck yeah. Alright, where's my sled in here? There it is. Should be fun. Hey Ash, what's up? You ready for the snow?
I'm ready for the snow.
Woo! She's from Poland, but
I don't like
it doesn't snow here in Virginia very often, and she hates snow. Go into the major snow booth here before we venture out into the white wonderland. Just all this just for coffee? Ash, do we have to get coffee?
Yes, coffee is alive.
Life. Yeah. Woo! I'm gonna put her in four-wheel drive. As you can see, clearly the Land Cruiser has no problem in the snow. Just drop it in four-wheel drive and we're going. There's no apocalypse here. Ash, we made it.
We made it and the Kingship Coffee is open.
Yes. Look at this. Somehow we got a cup of coffee. They let us in. The door was locked. We got drip. They're turning people away, but not us. Ash and I made it. Old faithful Land Cruiser. No way. But we're gonna try something, all right? We're gonna go sledding.
Ah, we're getting some speed.
We're on the road again. First sledding attempt did not work. We're going to a new space. Hill number 2, take 2. Let's go. Nothing like a snow day. Is that a Jeep? Gross. We need to find a hill. This is terrible.
Hill hunt?
Hill hunting.
Part 3. Go.
Alright, Ash. Go for it.
From the bottom of the hill.
Woo! Pretty good.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah. Not bad. For, amateur. Alright, here we go. Ash is gonna give me a push. We're going down. Ready? Woo! Made it. All right. Woo! All right, go, Ash, go. Double. I don't know. Doubles. Made it back from our snow adventure. Road's terrible. I still have to go to work. Should be an adventure in itself. Got a lot of little sledding in. Might go back out in a minute. We'll see.